In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom URL redirects in Shopify, a handy solution to fix those pesky 404 errors or page not found issues that can frustrate both store owners and customers alike. Ensuring your store runs smoothly with proper redirect management can considerably enhance user experience and boost your SEO ranking. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this sorted out. First off, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the home page of your store. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all essential aspects of your Shopify store, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. Next, on your dashboard, you will want to look for the section labeled Menus. Clicking here will bring you to an area where you can manage your navigation and menu items. It's essential for organizing how customers access your products and other information on your website, and often, this is where you can encounter broken links or outdated URLs without redirects. After accessing the Menus area, the next step is to click on URL redirects. Redirects are crucial because they guide users from old or non-existent pages to the correct ones, thus preventing any chance of them running into that dreaded 404 message. By establishing a network of clear redirects, you're effectively streamlining the navigation experience on your site. Now, once you are on the URL redirects page, you will need to click on Create URL Redirect. This option is typically prominently displayed and signals the start of crafting new pathways for your visitors. Crafting these redirects ensures that your customers seamlessly transition from outdated URLs to new content without even noticing the change. Following this, you'll want to click on Redirect From. Here, you should enter the old URL that no longer works or leads to the correct page. Inputting the right URL is important, so make sure there are no typos or errors that might muddle navigation efforts. With the old URL set, the next thing you'll do is click on Redirect To. Here lies the destination you're sending your customers to, typically a functioning and relevant page. Whether it's a newer version of a product page, a current sales listing, or a recently updated article, ensure the link directs them to exactly where they need to be. Finally, you'll complete this process by clicking on Save Redirect. This final step cements all the configurations you've just made, allowing your chosen URLs to be effectively rerouted. Remember to periodically review and update these redirects as your site evolves and new content replaces the old. So, there you have it. You now have a straightforward way to handle URL redirects in Shopify to improve both site functionality and customer satisfaction. By keeping your redirects organized and timely, you can significantly enhance your store's user experience and SEO efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy e-commerce managing.